FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make this very beautiful traditional doll, and this time it's something different. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So over here you can check this video on my channel to see how I made this doll. Okay, now as I've already made this doll, what I'll do is that I'll start painting the face. So I'll do it very carefully and I'll try to make the face as beautiful as I can. Now you can also make the beautiful lips. And then this red bindi. Once that is done, as you can see over here, I've already made the hairs. So you can check this South Indian doll video on my channel to see how I made this hairs and the hairstyle. Now let's start the dressing part. So I'll take this beautiful red colored fabric for the blouse and I'll stick it over here on the back side. Then I'll take these two pieces of the same red colored fabric and I'll make the sleeves. So I'll stick these on the hands as well. Then for the other hand again. Once that is done, I'll take this tiny golden colored lace and I'll start sticking it to the hand, to the sleeves basically. And then on the side, I'll take the same sleeves and I'll start sticking it all the way to the shoulder and then to the front. So this will instantly give me a look of a heavy embroidery kind of blouse. Now for the saree, I've taken this beautiful fabric and I love this fabric. It's a slightly pink and reddish colored fabric. Now for the saree, what I'll do is that I'll take this one first and then over here I've taken this very beautiful golden lace as well, which I'll be sticking over here onto the corners. Once it's done, as you can see, this is what my saree looks right now. Now let's make the folds for the saree. So for that, over here I'll just start folding it and I'll just give the pleats. So this is how the pleats look like now. Now you can do is that you can iron it to make it stay in its place and then glue the top just so the pleats look proper and neat. Okay, so once that is done, what I'll do is that I'll make the pleats over here as well on the border. Now I'll just take this over here again and iron the pleats. Now once the saree is ready, I'll start making her wear this. So I'll start wrapping it around the waist. Then over here, I'll just take the saree from the back side and I'll just put it in the front. And then I'll just tie it around over here. Just a slight little bit. So once it's done, as you can see, this is how the saree looks right now on the doll. Now let's make the jewelry. So for the bangles, I've taken this red glitter foam sheet and I'll just wrap it around her wrist. And I'll do this on both the sides. Then these are the jewelries which I've made with golden beads and some golden gems. So I'll just stick it on the bangles as well. This will be the mang tika. These will be the earrings. this will be of course the long necklace which she wears. Over here I'll stick this flower also on the braid, and then I'll just paint her nails red. And I'll also make this circle with red color onto the palm. So guys, this is it. This is how my doll looks right now. It's very beautiful, it's movable, and it's very easy to make also. So now as you can see, she's wearing the dupatta, sari dupatta on top of her head. And it's looking very beautiful, guys. So this is it, guys. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.